Take a moment and please share this forecast. You could save a life because we've got 9 weather warnings issued for this weekend, 3 level 6 warnings for damage and winds, heavy rainfall expected, which could lead to flooding and disruptive snowfall. So here's the details. A series of cold fronts making their way to South Africa, with the first strong front moving over the Western Cape this Sunday, spreading showers, thunderstorms, as well as damage and winds over large parts of South Africa and high seas along the coast, as well as an icy blast of air across the country on a Sunday into early next week, dropping freezing levels low enough for snow to fall on Sunday into Monday over large parts of the Cape provinces, as well as likely over the southern high-lying areas of the Free State near Bloemfontein, as well as the areas near the Maluti Mountains in Lesotho. Snow also likely to fall on a Sunday over Table Mountain, but the forecast could change as the system moves over the country, so continue to be on the lookout for any weather warnings issued by the South African Weather Service throughout this weekend. Snow also likely as far north as Prieska in the Northern Cape, and we are confident about heavy snowfall likely over the Matroosberg Mountains in the Western Cape, as well as the southern Drakensberg in the Eastern Cape. Those small towns bordering the southern Drakensberg will also see some ground snow. Most of the rain expected to fall here in the Western Cape on Sunday, with widespread showers and thunderstorms expected. The Weather Service has issued an orange level 6 warning where heavy rainfall could lead to flooding here in the Western Cape, mainly over the city of Cape Town, parts of the Winelands, as well as the Cederberg municipality and parts of the Boerland. But the biggest danger associated with this strong cold front is most likely the damage and winds we are expecting on Sunday. Winds will spread across the country and blow more than 50 kilometers per hour, sustained winds over parts of the Karoo as well as over the coastal areas. But with these sustained winds, we're also expecting wind gusts of close to 100 kilometers per hour in parts of the Karoo. This could be extremely dangerous, especially for high-sided vehicles driving on main routes. We've already seen how dangerous these powerful winds can be when driving over the bridge near the Huguenot Tunnel in the Western Cape. These gusting winds will also blow along the southern coastline on Sunday and will spread along the southern coastline into Monday and reach the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape, with windy weather spreading across South Africa next week Monday, reaching parts of Gauteng, Limpopo, as well as Mpumalanga. Please stay safe and be careful out there. Rather be safe than sorry, and stay off the roads on Sunday. We're also expecting widespread frost on a Saturday morning, with temperatures plummeting below freezing. This could be dangerous for vulnerable livestock and crops, with -7 in Bloemfontein, -6 in Bethlehem, dropping to freezing level in Johannesburg and below freezing in Vereniging. And then it's going to be an icy cold Saturday in the shade of green, with maximum temperatures only about in the mid-teens. On a Sunday morning, yet again frost expected in past the Free State, the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, and over the Highveld. Then it is going to be warm ahead of that front in parts of KwaZulu-Natal as well as the Lowveld, but icy cold here in the west, with lots of rain expected and snow in Sutherland, only peaking at a high of 6 degrees. And then into next week, Monday, the icy conditions spreading across the country. Another frosty morning expected, and then into the afternoon, maximum temperatures remaining below 10 degrees over large parts of the country, including the Karoo. Only 3 expected in Sutherland and 9 in Bloemfontein. The icy weather also reaching Gauteng, an icy wind blowing and only peaking at 10 in Johannesburg. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe and warm, South Africa.